What is up, people? I hope I hope we all have a killer week. I mean, it's Sunday right now, so the week just began. Make sure you go out and vote. But yeah, the week just started. Let's get after it. I'm so sick of farewells and RPs. And the trenches yelling gang, gang, mob ties, what I bleed. No claim to be, I die from that disease. He gon' let that nine blow with ease. Cannot speak my mind, cannot breathe. Alright, guys, let's get started. This is Captain Price here with Smart Money Trading, Smart Money Trades. And this is my first YouTube video. Let's go! Alrighty, so let's get started. In stocks, in life, you have to have a balance. Whether you're a bear or a bull, you gotta know when to be which. And that's why, with Smart Money Trades, we tell you where to lie yourself, what to balance. Alrighty. So my name is Captain Price, the Profit Taker. Make sure to follow me on StockTwits if you haven't already. Uh, like I said, this is my first YouTube video, and I'm just getting started. Uh, this is my coach, Lance Douglas. He has a Discord channel, and he gives plays. He tells you when to get in. He tells you when to get out. I mean, I I'm I'm following his plays, and I was up over $1,000 in just a few minutes. So this guy's legit. He's a veteran. He was in the army. He's a multimillionaire. He has a real estate business. He's he's got things figured out, man. He's got things figured out. So make sure to join his Discord if you want to get the hottest plays, because this is smart money trading here. Alrighty. Alrighty, so first things first. First things first. I called it out on 10/26/2020. I said Hertz will be delisted very soon and puts will be worth their max value. Buy some 11.6 $1.50 puts to make that money print, baby. If you took my advice, Hertz is now at 70 cents. Your puts would have printed. So, you know, there were a lot of bulls on that page coming at my life, and I was just trying to help. I'm sorry if I was coming off as disrespectful, but I was just trying to help, and look what happened. I was right. Captain Price was right. Alrighty. The next stock I want to talk about is Keto Pharmaceuticals. Now, why would I be talking about a stock that has done nothing but screw its investors since the end of June, beginning of July? It's just been going down. I mean, it was in like the $12 range. Obviously, that was. I mean, they had a reverse split, so they really hit like $1.26. That was their high, and now they're back at like 41 cents. But after the reverse split, they were at mid 12s, and now they're at 414. So why am I bullish on this stock? Why? Because of this guy. Just go on this guy's StockTwits page, and you will be convinced that Eli Lilly has already signed the deal and is going to buy out Keto Pharmaceuticals, and the announcement is imminent. Just look at this guy's DD and read it. I'm not going to repeat what he says because that'd be plagiarism. Just go on his page, go on his StockTwits, give him a follow, and just read his DD, and you will be convinced that Eli Lilly is going to buy out Keto Pharmaceuticals. They're a preclinical, they're a developmental company, NT219. They have consensus on the market. They're gonna get the sales report for that soon, which should give their stock price a little bit of a boost. But listen, everyone in Keto fam, we are convinced that Eli Lilly is going to buy out Keto Pharmaceuticals. We're not certain, but we are pretty convinced because of this guy right here. Just go on his StockTwits, read some of his posts, and you will be convinced too. Thank me later. Alrighty. The next stock I want to be talking about today, the next stock Smart Money Trades is going to be talking about today is QLGN. Okay, this stock is at $3.84. And let me tell you something. This will go parabolic when they get an answer of their EUA, emergency use authorization. When that gets passed for their COVID-19 antibody tests, this is going to go to like $25 in my opinion. I think it's going to happen after the election, so now is a perfect time to get on board. Uh, yeah, as soon as they get that EUA approved. I mean, it's been over It's been over the 100-day mark, so the answer is going to come very soon. I don't know why it hasn't come out yet. Probably going to wait till after the elections. I don't know. But just keep your eye on this, because once that EUA gets approved, this is going to jump. It's going to be one of those stocks where you just wake up in the morning and it's just trading sideways up like $20. Alrighty. The next stock I want to talk about is TTCF, Tattooed Chef Inc. Now, what is this stock? What is this stock? This is the next Beyond Meat, in my opinion. They have their financial results coming out on November 9, 2020, which is going to be outstanding in my opinion, based on my DD. But yeah, they're going to be the next Beyond Meat, and they're only at $17 right now. Beyond Meat is in like the hundreds, so it's a perfect price to get it at if you want to make that. If you want to make those big dollar gains, yeah. All right, the next stock I want to talk about is Express Check. Why am I talking about this stock? Because it's at $1.86 right now, and their CEO is the ex-vice president of Starbucks, Douglas Saltzman. This guy, he's converted a massaging center where they give massages to a COVID-19 testing center, and they're also testing for flu and strep throat, and he's just looking to take over the medical airport industry. And honestly, I don't see too much competition, and where the price is right now at $1.86, I mean, the reward heavily outweighs the risk. So this is also a good investment. This is also a smart money trade, in my opinion. Alrighty, the next stock I want to talk about, the last stock I want to talk about today, my first video ever, is Plug Power. Now, why am I bullish on Plug Power? Why? Because as you can see on Friday, it hit its double bottom. It hit its double bottom on Friday. And if you look at the 6-month trend, if you just take a quick look at it, it rises, it hits its peak, and then it descends. And then it rises again, it hits its peak, and then it descends. And then it rises again, it hits its peak, and then it descends. And according to the trend line, it's set to rise again very soon. I think we could see the mid-20s this upcoming week. I'm just being very I'm being very positive. I'm being very anti-pessimistic. I think the earnings is going to be better than their last earnings. And Green energy, man, especially if Biden wins the election and he passes the Great New Deal, it's going to be tons of money going into Plug Power. And if Biden wins the election, this is going to go to like $30, $40 instantly. They have a strong foot in the door for the secondary market. Hydrogen, the hydrogen fuel cells. I mean, I know the battery. I know battery power with Tesla. I know that's a little bit more popular right now than hydrogen, but they have a strong foot in the door for the secondary market, and based on their trend line, they are set to go up in the next week. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. So that was it. That was my first YouTube video. I talked about a few stocks. Just keep your eye out on those. I'll catch you guys next time. Captain Price out.